Hi, we've been asked on how do you remove and replace a 5-star base from your office chair. Today we're going to show you how. Hi, Bill Knighton with RightAngle. Now we'll show you how to remove your 5-star base from your office chair. It works a little easier if you have some sort of workbench to work on. Place it on the corner. You'll want to remove the casters because you'll be reusing those with your new chair base. You can just use a screwdriver here and pry underneath to get them started. Sometimes they'll be a little difficult, but if you give it a little time, you can get the screwdriver to pop the caster up. Some people will use a hammer and just hit them from the bottom, but they tend to fly around the room. Not always a good situation. Every once in a while you get the one stubborn caster. Requires a little more work. Okay, got the casters removed. Now what you need is a friend. Okay, my friends arrived. We have Mike here from our engineering department. He's gonna help me out. What you wanna do is you wanna levitate the chair in the air. You do have a clip on here. You wanna make sure you try not to hit that clip directly because you can remove it from the base itself. Usually when you're using a rubber mallet though, the head's big enough that it won't impede on the clip itself. So a couple things to let you know: the longer you sit in the chair, the more difficult it is to get apart. This is an older chair that we've had around for a while, so we're not sure how many times it's going to take us to hit the gas cylinder to get it to remove. But sometimes you might have to hit the sides a couple times to see if we can loosen it up. So here we're going to give it a shot. Okay, now we have the base off the chair. Sometimes it's going to go really easily, sometimes it's not. You might need to use some WD-40. Sometimes you might need a little bigger rubber hammer. But normally, a couple good whacks and it'll be removed from the 5-star base. Okay, so replacing the base is pretty simple. We have a new base here. You can place the base on the chair, makes it a little easier to put the casters back in. And they'll just snap back in. Once that's done, you can flip the base over. Once you sit in the chair, it's going to lock the gas cylinder to the 5-star base and it's finished. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us at raproducts.com. Thanks for watching.